Good afternoon. This is Dennis Stroud with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Out there in our beautiful park, this 56 spot park. We would love to have you come and meet us and enjoy while you're looking at motorhomes and getting your next motorhome. We're going to talk today about this 2016 Tiffin Allegro Red. This is a very unique coach. This is a 38 QBA. So what that little mystery means, 38 feet, it's going to probably be 38 feet, 10 inches. But the QBA is interesting. It's a quad slide. It's a bunk model. So it has, in the front, it has a sofa, a love seat, a dinette. In the mid-range, it has 2 bunks. And then in the back, it has your king bed. What's also unique on this, so sometimes we'll talk about TVs on coaches, and we think they're pretty cool when they have 3 or 4. This unit has a total of 6 TVs. Has an exterior TV, has a front TV, has a middle TV, a bedroom TV, a TV in each bunk bed. So for a family who's into TV and entertaining with a lot of kids and a lot of fun, this would be a great coach. As we walk around the coach, one of the things you'll see is it does have really good storage, pull-out bay in the basement. As we transition around, it's on a Freightliner chassis with Cummins power. Really nice setup on the water tank bay, the service bay. And as we come forward and we come inside, it has a large double door RV style refrigerator. It does have a 3-burner cooktop with oven, convection microwave, center bath. And as I said, the 2 bunk beds, the top bed can be folded up for additional storage or can be left down for sleeping. So and as we go around, a really nice cockpit. And of course, as we know from Tiffin, they always do a really nice job on their interior design. Really nice woods, good colors, good layouts. So this is a coach here that would just do a great job for a family, travel in comfort with bunk beds, a lot of room, a lot of nice sleeping. So please give us a call. Dennis Stroud with Guarantee RV.